Let's be real. Everyone's talking about AI, but most people think you need to be a tech genius or quit your job to cash in on it. Wrong. AI is not just for coders or full-time entrepreneurs. You can absolutely start making money with it on the side. No resignation letter needed. Let me break it down for you in a fun and simple way. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are packed with gigs people do using AI tools. You can offer services like content writing using ChatGPT or Jasper, logo designs with tools like Midjourney or Canva AI, voiceovers using AI voice generators, and transcription and translation with tools like Descript or Otter. Here's how in 60 seconds, spend just a couple of hours after work and watch how small gigs can add up over time. AI can help you create ebooks, templates, Notion planners, Instagram carousels, and more in record time. You don't even have to be a designer or writer. For example, use ChatGPT to write an ebook, then use Canva AI to design it, and finally sell them on Gumroad or Etsy, passive income mode on. So, here's something cool. You can use AI to write ebooks, create Notion templates, or even design planners and printables. It's like, you do the work once and honestly, you could be earning passive income for months. These days, you really don't need to show your face to go viral. Seriously, you can use AI to generate scripts with ChatGPT, make voiceovers with tools like 11 Labs or Murph.ai, edit videos using Pictory CapCut or even Adobe with AI plugins, and add captions with AutoSub or Veed. With AI, it writes your script, makes your voice, and edits your video. All you have to do is upload and, well, just watch your channel grow. So here's the deal. Post consistently, and once your page starts to grow, you can totally monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, or even brand deals. Okay, yes, this is actually a thing. You can offer services like email writing, social media captions, resume building, and even presentation slides. You'll be using tools like ChatGPT and Canva, which means you're working smarter, not harder. Plus, you can charge either per project or by the hour, whatever works best for you. Honestly, you don't have to be an expert. Just know a little bit more than your audience. You could create mini courses, host workshops, or write beginner-friendly guides on things like how to use ChatGPT for business, how to create content with AI, or even how to automate daily tasks. Super doable, right? So, you could totally run mini Zoom classes or even host WhatsApp trainings. And yeah, you can sell a course on how to use ChatGPT or Canva AI. People are honestly hungry to learn this stuff. You can also offer this on platforms like Udemy or even do TikTok lives. The demand is like crazy high right now. Don't overthink it. You don't need to learn everything overnight. Just pick one idea, give yourself a few hours a week, and let the results speak. Remember, AI is your assistant, not your replacement. So use it to boost your income without burning out. AI is the cheat code. You just need to play smart. There's no need to quit your job, no coding needed, and no fancy degree required. Just start with one idea and go. We're living in a time where AI can literally cut your work in half and double your income if you learn to use it right. So before you think about quitting your 9-to-5, try building your AI-powered side hustle first. Who knows? That extra income could become your main source of freedom. Want a step-by-step guide or free tools to get started? Just let me know. I've got you covered. Want a free starter toolkit? Drop a fire emoji in the comments. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and share.